Stop. Before you spend a single dollar on a dash cam, you need to watch this. If you're looking for total protection for your car, you've probably seen the IIWEY N5 Pro. It promises 4K recording, 4 channels, and 360-degree coverage. But is it good? And more importantly, is it worth it for the price? Welcome to ShopSmart. First things first, I am not sponsored by IIWEY. I haven't been paid to say nice things. This is going to be a completely honest, unbiased review based on the specs and facts, so you know exactly what you're getting and what you're not getting. Most drivers make the mistake of buying a camera that only records the front, but accidents happen everywhere. The N5 Pro is a beast because it's a 4-channel dash cam. It records the front, the rear, and this is crucial, the left and right sides of your cabin. This means almost 0 blind spots. Let's talk resolution. The front camera shoots in crystal clear 4K. This is vital if you need to read license plates in a hit and run. The other 3 cameras record in 1080p, which is sharp enough for evidence. And if you drive at night, or if you're a rideshare driver for Uber or Lyft, listen to this. It has 8 IR night vision lights. Even in a pitch black car, it captures clear footage of the interior. We're diving into the hidden features and the app warning in just a second, but if you appreciate honest reviews that don't waste your time, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow. Now let's look at connectivity. The N5 Pro features next-generation 5G Wi-Fi 6. In simple terms, it transfers video to your phone up to 10 megabytes per second. It's much faster than older dash cams, so you aren't stuck waiting to download a clip. But here's a pro tip for you. Regarding the app, the IIWEY app is completely free. However, sometimes users get confused by VIP prompts. Please note you do not need to activate any VIP functions. The standard features are free and sufficient. Don't waste money if you don't have to. It also features built-in GPS. This isn't for navigation, but for evidence. It tracks your route, speed, and location, which can be viewed later on the PC or the app. Solid proof if you ever need to defend yourself in court. 2 things I really like about this package. First, it uses a supercapacitor instead of a lithium battery. If you live somewhere with freezing winters or scorching summers, this camera can handle it without overheating. Second, they include a free 128GB SD card. Most brands make you buy this separately, so that saves you about 15 to 20 bucks right out of the box. Now, is it perfect? Here's something you must know. The N5 Pro supports 24-hour parking mode to watch your car while you sleep. However, this feature requires a Hardwire Kit that is not included in the box. You'll need to buy that separately if you want the 24/7 protection. It works fine as a driving recorder without it, but for parking mode, you need that extra kit. So, the final verdict, is it worth it? For $159, getting 4 channels, 4K resolution, and Wi-Fi 6 is a very strong deal. It's perfect for truck drivers, rideshare drivers, or anyone who wants total peace of mind. If you decided this is the right camera for you, I've placed the link in the description below. Full disclosure, if you buy through that link, I get a small commission at no extra cost to you. This directly supports my work and helps me keep creating these honest reviews for you. Thanks for watching ShopSmart. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.